Take one. Yo, it's Adele. Welcome to my channel. Adele VMac. Okay, this is what I keep my hair bits and bobs in. I've had this for ages. It's actually, it's actually called Adele, and it's turquoise, and it's got lovely little kind of pinky roses. Sorry. The name was on it somewhere. Anyway, I've had it for years. The German flag in the front because that was the World Cup, and then the rest it's all covered in animal stickers. What I'm actually need to do is go over it with some clear. That's the padlock. Santa's magic key to secure them. Right, now when you try and do this without getting everything stolen, first of all, no, come on, get it, don't take the hair. Ooh, this is my Daenerys Khaleesi. Don't touch the eye. Daenerys Targaryen Khaleesi. I say, well, Khaleesi, Daenerys Targaryen. Khaleesi, mother of dragons, freer of slaves. No, don't write, and we've got in here, and we've got a little kitten. Thank you. Now, that is lovely on, which I'll do one day. So that goes in like this. Keep it nice and safe from these wee hooligans. Then I've got a blonde one just to clip in. Nope, nobody's getting that with curls. And then one, I'll tell you what, I'll put these in here first. These are my crocodile clips, which I've got loads of. First of all, don't pull them. Here. Sorry about that. I forgot about these here. Is that all I've got there? Must be. Yeah. Right, we'll put Daenerys Khaleesi Targaryen. Stop that. Oh, you get in there. Mother of dragons. Bag in there. There we are. And I'll put it on one day. There's that one. Right. And here is the red one, which is my unedited. This is absolutely lovely colour. Again, it's a clip in just to add extra wee bits and bobs to my hair. Right, we've got, this is just blues and blacks. Put that there. Right, now I've got this here, the shiny glitter, which every single one of them goes separately onto a strand of hair, which, wow, I've not got the patience to do that. I'm not onyx. These are my dreadlocks, purple, pink, and pale purple, dark pink. What's that? Good girl. And then I've got one that I can wear just long. And I've got one done as a long plait. I'm watching these new hooligans here. Right, the other one that I've got is silver. Oh, as I opened it up, tried to do it to tie it on. No, don't you pull that on every strand, but I put a pink bow on it now. There's the silver there. Whee! Just to keep it secure. There must be an easier way to do that. A hairband that I tried to dye but didn't take. Right, now we've got ribbons. Navy blue, navy blue, navy blue. Ribbons. We have got wine. I thought they were going to be playing over here. There we are. Hi, you can actually see, I think. Carrying on, a wine one. Wine. A pink one. April. Another pink one. Wine. Then this is a nice royal blue. Bows. I've got silver gunmetal bows onto here. Oh, April, she's on my back again, scratching my hair. Right. Right, we've got a mustardy bow, peach bow, violet bow, another peach kind of bow, a turquoise bow, the other pink bow there. I have got a long tie I put in. April's pulling my hair, and I've got a nice Royal Blue Rangers blue. Ow, April! Oh, sorry about that. Oh, pink. Oh, she's nipping me. Another ribbon. Oh, April, you're so silly. You're falling off. These are the ones that I've got little dangly curls, red and yellow. Oh, pale ribbon colour, a black ribbon, lace, black lace. Oh, and there's a white bow. That's to do a kind of fishtail pleat, plait, braid, whatever you want to call it, and I can't do it. Pink, white with red. Oh, and a corally colour. And another kind of greyish one. And a pink.